Hello, future designers. Are you ready to kickstart your career in graphic design with one of the leading digital entertainment companies in South Asia? Well, you're in luck. Hungama Digital Media Entertainment Private Limited is offering an incredible opportunity for aspiring graphic designers. Let's dive into the details of this exciting internship. This internship is perfect for those who are eager to gain hands-on experience in the dynamic world of digital entertainment. Here are the key highlights of the internship. Start date, immediately. Duration, 3 months. Stipend, Rs 5,000 per month. Apply by 29th June 2024. Sounds interesting, right? But that's not all. As a selected intern, your day-to-day responsibilities will include gathering requirements and client needs from the design brief, utilizing graphic design software to work across various media, innovating and creating new design concepts, graphics, and layouts, presenting initial design drafts for evaluation, incorporating client feedback into final designs and securing full approvals, collaborating with a team of designers and executives. Now let's see if you have what it takes to apply for this internship. You'll need to be proficient in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, but that's not all. Let's check the eligibility criteria. Only those candidates can apply who are available for a full-time in-office internship, can start the internship between 30th May 2024 and 4th July 2024. Are available for the duration of 3 months, are from or open to relocate to Mumbai, Noida, and neighboring cities, have relevant skills and interests. Other requirements include proven experience in graphic design, possess creative flair, versatility, conceptual and visual abilities, and originality. Demonstrated graphic design skills with a robust portfolio. Effective interaction, communication, and presentation skills. Stay updated with industry-leading software and technologies, such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Highly proficient in all aspects of design. Exhibit professionalism in managing time and meeting deadlines. As an intern at Hungama, you'll receive a certificate, a letter of recommendation, flexible work hours, a potential job offer. Hungama is not just any company. Let's learn a bit more about them. Hungama is a leading digital entertainment company in South Asia. Founded in 1999, it has remained at the forefront of the internet revolution in India and has created exceptional digital experiences by combining entertainment and technology. Their portfolio covers a wide spectrum of services, touching over 1 billion lives in more than 190 countries. These include a popular music streaming platform, the go-to destination for video streaming, a platform for independent artists, a developer, publisher, distributor, and marketer of mobile games. Leveraging its distribution and aggregation strengths, Hungama is working with telecom, DTH, ISP, and OEM partners to create unique and engaging entertainment destinations for consumers. So, are you ready to join this exciting journey? Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Apply by 29th June 2024 and kickstart your career in graphic design with Hungama Digital Media Entertainment Private Limited. The link to apply is in the description below. Thank you for watching and good luck with your application. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow us for more such exclusive content.